Hey there, Ford enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into that pesky check charging system warning that's been popping up on your dash. Whether you're driving an F-150, a Mustang, or an Explorer, this issue can be a real headache. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some common mistakes to avoid and how to fix it the right way. Before we dive in, let's talk about what this warning means. The check charging system alert signals that your vehicle's battery isn't being charged properly, which could leave you stranded if not addressed. So let's get to it. First up, mistake number 1, ignoring loose or corroded battery terminals. These little guys can be the culprit behind the warning light. Make sure to check and clean both the positive and negative terminals. Use a wire brush to remove any corrosion and ensure a snug fit. Mistake number 2, neglecting the alternator belt. A loose or worn out belt can prevent the alternator from charging the battery. Inspect the belt for any signs of wear and tear and make sure it has proper tension. If it's loose or damaged, it's time for a replacement. Moving on to mistake number 3, overlooking the alternator itself. Sometimes the issue lies within the alternator. You'll want to test it to make sure it's functioning correctly. Use a multimeter to measure the voltage output. If it's below 13.5 volts, you might need a new alternator. Mistake number 4, forgetting about the battery. A faulty or old battery can trigger the check charging system warning. Test your battery's voltage with a multimeter. A healthy battery should read around 12.6 volts when the car is off and around 14 volts when the engine is running. If the readings are off, it might be time for a new battery. Finally, mistake number 5, skipping the fuses and wiring. Check for any blown fuses in the charging system circuit and inspect the wiring for any signs of damage or wear. Sometimes a simple blown fuse or a damaged wire can be the root of the problem. Alright folks, there you have it. Avoid these common mistakes and you'll be well on your way to solving that annoying check charging system warning. Remember, always prioritize safety, and if you're unsure, consult a professional mechanic. Thanks for tuning in, and happy driving. See you next time.